Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Happy Saturday? Is that right? Is today Saturday? If it is, happy Saturday, everybody. I hope everyone is doing well. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and today we're going to be doing a quick review on the Air Jordan Jubilee 11s that dropped today. Now, originally, I was supposed to have this video out yesterday so you guys can have it a little bit early, but I got a little bit busy, so bear with me. All right, you're gonna get this video on the day of this release, but let's go ahead and take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Jubilees. First things first, I want to give a huge shout out to my family over at Hibbett Sports for sending these over. Again, I wanted to do an early review for you guys, but I didn't have enough time yesterday, so you guys are getting it today. Now, right off the bat, I noticed that the box was a lot different from the Air Jordan boxes that we're usually used to seeing when it comes to the 11s. Remember the boxes that they used to come in originally? Those were so much easier. They just flip up like this. And when they changed it to that pull out where they had the extra plastic insert and all that, I just don't feel that vibe. It's a pain to take out. And I honestly feel like I end up not wearing those shoes because I hate taking them out of that box. As crazy as that sounds. But in this release, they went ahead and switched up the design of the box, which was pretty cool in my opinion. So if we take a look at this, you see how it has this little flap down here. We open it up and it opens up in a half box like this, and then we open this side down and we have our shoes. So super easy to access, and it looks like we have a different styled paper here. So it says 1995 and 2020. Let's take a look at the shoe. Here it is right in front of us. A very clean and simple looking shoe. As I was doing more research for it, I realized that this was made to commemorate the 25th anniversary of the Air Jordan 11 model, which is crazy, right? Which is why the paper states 1995 and it has 2020 now. And part of me was like, what is a Jubilee? Like, it just sounds fancy and it's not a common word, or at least I don't hear it that often. Jubilee. Jubilee? Jubilee. It just sounds kind of fancy. So the official Google definition says that it's a special anniversary of an event, especially one celebrating 25 or 50 years of a rain activity. So that fits perfectly for these, since this is the 25th anniversary of the Air Jordan 11. The more you know. So of course we have this very simple colorway. The uppers are primarily black. I mean, we do have hints of this really nice silvery chrome, almost metal looking details. We'll get into that right now. So one of the things that we notice on this sneaker versus other Air Jordan 11s has to be that Jordan Jumpman. Now, we're usually used to seeing some sort of stitching on this one, but we have a metal-ish plate. It might be plastic, might be metal, I'm not sure, but it's a really nice hit. I feel like for the Air Jordan 11s, the patent leather is so shiny that if you do a little bit too much, it might make it look a little bit tacky. But I really like that look on the Jumpman logo right there. And if we take a look at the 23, it's also different from what we're used to seeing. Sometimes we get a stitching, sometimes we get that heat press, but this one's more of a matte silver rubber plastic material. It's very weird. I don't know how to explain it. I think it's a really good look on this one. It definitely gives a nice contrast off of that chrome Jumpman that we have on the side of the sneaker. So I do like the matte look, and I like how it broke up everything on the top. Another major difference that we have on this sneaker compared to other Air Jordan 11s has to be the Jordan on the side. Look at that. I believe there was a pair of DMP 11s back in the day that had the lettering right here. I don't remember what it was for exactly. Maybe it was a player exclusive or it was a sample or something, but this one features Jordan in that same material that is on the 23, and it's also on the inside of the shoe as well. Some people were feeling this, some people weren't. In my opinion, I kind of like how they switched it up on this one. I feel like with the 11 model, you can only do so much to it, and I think it's a nice touch. Speaking about other things that I noticed, this little tag right here in the middle of the shoe, this one is a lot different from what we're usually used to getting. So it looks like we have a leather strip, and we have that same brushed silver look right there, and this says Jumpman Jordan. Now, back in the day when I was first getting into sneakers, whenever I would watch reviews and they would say that, I was like, dog, I don't see it. Like, I'm not seeing how y'all are seeing. This is weird. How are y'all reading this? But then when I turn it, That's how it says Jumpman Jordan, all right? You have to turn it to the side. At first, I was like, bro, these guys are really good at reading these hieroglyphics, and maybe I just don't know what's going on, so stupid me, right? The outsole is composed of this very milky outsole. It is not our clear standard Air Jordan 11 outsole. This same outsole was on the 72 and 10s, if you guys remember those. And I think for this specific colorway, this one does work very well, in my opinion. This is definitely one of those shoes that you could wear with pretty much anything, just because the colors are so neutral. I feel like this would definitely be the go-to prom shoe for a lot of people, or even go-to graduation shoe. It's clean, not gonna lie. So one thing I noticed is that the insole says 25 instead of 23. Again, commemorating the 25th anniversary of the Air Jordan 11 model. We also have our standard carbon fiber at the bottom of the shoe. And if you guys haven't had a pair of Jordan 11s and you plan on getting these, I would recommend going true to size as with any Jordan 11, and I believe the prices aren't even too bad on these. The retail price is $220 after tax, maybe a little bit of shipping. You're probably gonna pay around $235, $240. If I'm not mistaken, I've seen these selling for around $280 to $300, so it's not that much of a markup from the retail price. So if you guys are looking for a Jordan 11 and you haven't had one before, I definitely think this is a solid sneaker to get your feet wet. And I was going to do an on-feet review for these, but it's been raining outside, and honestly, I'm just trying to stay inside. I'm not trying to get wet, so this is the best that you're going to see them, all right? I'm sorry. Let me know if you guys copped these or passed on them this morning, and let me know what your overall thought of this shoe is. Also, if you guys are a size 10 and you're looking for a couple pairs, I do have homies that are selling theirs for very close to retail. So if you guys want to get in contact with me, you could go ahead and DM me on Instagram saying, yo, I want Jubilee 11 size 10, and I'll send you all of their info, all right? Catch you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.